dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily add two-factor authentication on your Telegram. So for doing this, just open Telegram app. So after, you just need to go to the settings, just tap on the settings tab, and here you need to find privacy and security. So just open it, and here you will see two-step verification. So now just open it. Now just you can see additional password. You can set a password that will be required when you're logging in on a new device, in addition to the code you get via SMS. So now just tap set additional password and just follow all the steps for adding this two-factor authentication on Telegram. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.